Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate how easy it is to onboard your cnMatrix switches with cnMaestro, delivering a true zero-touch experience. 3 simple steps. Step 1, create your configuration file. This configuration file can be as simple or as complex as you would like. Step 2, open up your cnMaestro account and claim your switches. Link the configuration file to these switches. Step 3, connect your switches to the network. Everything else is automated. Initial configuration of these switches will be automated during the onboarding process. The switch configuration that is needed when you add or remove devices will also be fully automated as a result of any PBA policies that were included in your configuration file. This will deliver a true zero-touch experience for even day-to-day operations. The configuration file that we will use today is we're going to create VLAN 10 and make ports 1 through 8 a member of VLAN 10. Also in today's configuration, we'll use the following 2 PBA policies. One for cnPilot access points. We will be using an action to change the PoE port priority to critical, and we will be creating the VLANs 20, 30, and 40. We'll create a second policy for third-party video cameras, and we will change the PoE port priority to high, and we will create the VLAN 500. Okay, let's go to the demo. Okay, here we are at our cnMaestro account. We're going to select the added template selection. We're going to enter the name of our template, and then I am going to cut and paste a configuration file that I have. Here we go, and then we will save it. Okay, step 2, back at our cnMaestro account, we're going to select the claim device button, enter our serial number, and claim the device. It is a success. We are going to tie the config template to it, save, and approve. Okay, here we are unboxing our new cnMatrix switch. We are going to power it on and connect it to the network. Okay, here we are at the cnMatrix cnMaestro dashboard. You can see that port 8 is active. That's where our network connection is. And you can see that our initial configuration was applied during the onboarding process. Halfway down the page, you can see that port 1 is a member of VLAN 10 as well as its default VLAN number 1. Same thing on port 3, port 5, port 7, and so on. Okay, now let's plug in our 3 devices into the switch, the third-party video surveillance camera and the 2 cnPilot access points. Okay, back at the dashboard, let's check our dynamic configuration. We can see that port 1 was automatically added to VLAN 500 and the PoE power priority was automatically set to high. Port 3, where a cnPilot access point was plugged in, automatically becoming a member of VLANs 20, 30, and 40, as well as setting the PoE power priority to critical. True zero touch. Port 5, also a cnPilot access point, becoming a member of VLANs 20, 30, and 40, as well as changing the PoE power priority to critical. And port 8, the uplink port, also was modified, dynamically becoming a member of VLANs 500, 20, 30, and 40. Okay, let's check the automatic cleanup of the configuration by removing the 3 devices from our switch. Okay, back at the dashboard, we can see that ports 1, 3, and 5 are no longer active, and we can see that the configuration has automatically been cleaned up. Port 1 is only a member of VLANs 10 and 1 now. Same with port 3, same with port 5. Also, the PoE power priority has been set back to low. Port 8 also only a member of VLANs 10 and 1. Okay, a quick summary of onboarding your cnMatrix switches with cnMaestro. 3 simple steps. 1, create your configuration file or configuration template. 2, open your cnMaestro account and claim your devices. And 3, when you're ready, connect the switches and devices to the network. This provides a true zero-touch experience, not only for initial configuration and initial deployment of your devices, but also for day-to-day ongoing operations by taking advantage of policy-based automation. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Thank you.